Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are reviewing the D10 drone. This compact yet powerful drone promises stable and clear views, user-friendly controls, and advanced features. Let's dive into what makes the D10 drone a great choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The D10 drone boasts a built-in high-clearance decay lens, providing exceptional video quality. With FPV real-time transmission, you can view live footage up to 100 meters away. This means capturing stunning HD videos and photos directly to your device is a breeze. Sharing your aerial adventures on social media is just one click away, making it perfect for content creators and hobbyists alike. One of the standout aspects of the D10 drone is its user-friendly design. It features one key start and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it accessible for users of all experience levels, even kids and beginners. The speed adjustment function allows you to tailor the drone speed to your comfort level, ensuring a smooth flying experience every time. The D10 drone is equipped with advanced features like Tap Fly, which lets you draw a flight path on your smartphone, and the drone will follow it. Gesture control is another exciting feature. Simply show your palm or make a V sign to the front camera, and the D10 will automatically take a photo or video. These features make capturing selfies and unique aerial shots effortless and fun. Designed with convenience in mind, the D10 drone is foldable and compact, fitting easily into a backpack for travel. It comes with 2 modular batteries, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time. Additionally, the 4 propeller guards enhance safety by protecting the propellers during flight. Smart control options like voice and gravity control add an extra layer of fun, allowing you to command the drone with phrases like takeoff and landing, or by tilting your smartphone. In summary, the D10 drone combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a great option for anyone looking to explore the skies. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.